Open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Create a Short from the options that appear. Choose the video you want to use for your short. You can either record a new video or select one from your camera roll. Edit your video as desired. You can trim the length of the video, add music or text, and adjust the video speed. Preview your short to make sure it looks the way you want it to. Add a title and description to your short. Add relevant hashtags to make it easier for people to find your short. Publish your short by tapping the upload button. Share your short on social media to get more views and engagement. That's it. Creating a YouTube short is easy and can be a great way to get more exposure for your content.